Hello! Today, we're going to make a delicious mushroom cream soup. For this recipe, we'll need mushrooms, onion, potatoes, milk, vegetable oil, and processed cheese. First, start by chopping all the ingredients as shown in the video. Once everything is ready, heat vegetable oil in a pan and begin frying the onion. After the onion becomes soft and lightly golden, add the potatoes and fry for 3 to 5 minutes over medium heat. Next, add the mushrooms and continue frying for another 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to add salt to taste. When all the ingredients are nicely fried, pour in the milk and bring it to a gentle boil. Add black pepper according to your taste. Just before it starts boiling, add the processed cheese. Simmer everything on low heat for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, blend the soup for 1 to 2 minutes until it reaches a smooth, creamy texture. Once blended, let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes. Your mushroom cream soup is ready. If you'd like to learn more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.